Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can refer a friend on a Fanduel. Now it's really easy and simple, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to find and send your unique invitation link from inside your account. So you want to find the refer a friend image near the top of your screen, and what you want to do is you want to click on share invite right here. Click on share invite, and then guys, what you want to do is you can either text the the link to your friend, or you can email it to your friend. And basically guys, they will need to sign up, they'll need to create a FanDuel account, and once they get verified and they make their first deposit of at least $20, okay, then you will it will count as a successful referral. So basically guys, what's gonna happen is if your friend plays at least $10 or more on any casino table or game within the next 30 days, that also counts like a valid referral. Okay, it doesn't need to be $10 in a single spin, but it needs to be accumulated of $10 or more in 30 days. So it's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. All you need to do is come and click on share invite, and once they meet the criteria, then you get your referral bonus. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.